Hello friends, as we all know that not only India, the whole world is fighting against COVID-19 crisis. The major among them is supply chain failures, that is difficulty to ship the medicines, medical equipments and food from the place of origin to poverty-stricken parts of the world due to lockdowns. Today, I am Sonali under the guidance of Professor Suvarnalata ma'am going to give seminar on the blockchain technology which not only tackles the supply chain failures but can be a game changer during this COVID 19 crisis. And these are the contents of today's seminar, which includes introduction, blockchain technology's architecture and its working, key features of blockchain technology, advantages and disadvantages, applications of blockchain technology, and the real time use cases of blockchain technology. Let us see what exactly the blockchain technology is. It is the technology which is distributed decentralized ledger technology that allows data to be stored globally on many servers. See friends, here we don't have any centralized server which stores data and then sends to other nodes of the network or anything. We can distribute directly to every node which is connected on this network. Now let's move towards the blockchain architecture. The blockchain architecture involves 6 core components. First one, node. Node is any user or a computer within the blockchain architecture, and each has an independent copy of the whole blockchain ledger. The second component is a transaction, which is the smallest building block of a blockchain system. And a transaction may be record information or anything that serves as the purpose of blockchain. Third component is the block. It is a data structure used for keeping a set of transactions which is distributed to all nodes. And fourth component, chain. Chain is a sequence of blocks in a particular order. And fifth component, miners. Miner is a particular node which performs the block verification process before adding anything to the blockchain structure. Consensus. Consensus is a set of rules and arrangements to carry out blockchain operations. Here in this figure we can see a node may be a mobile, laptop, PC or any organization. Namely, there are only two kinds of nodes, a member node and validator node. A member node can only initiate or receive the transactions, but validator node can both initiate, receive as well as validate the transactions which are requested by the other member node. Now let's see how blockchain technology works. The working of blockchain technology involves 7 steps. The first step is a transaction is requested by a user, and the second step, the requested transaction is broadcasted to the P2P network that consists of nodes. And the third step is the nodes in the network uses algorithms like cryptographic SHA-256 to validate transaction. As we already learnt SHA-256 algorithm in cryptography, this algorithm generates a hash of 256 bits for any length of data. It may be a big data or a short data. It creates only 256 bits of data which is very unique, and hence the hash is said to be a fingerprint of a transaction. The verified transaction may be cryptocurrency, contract, record or any information. In the fifth step, the transaction is combined with other transactions to create a new block of data. This created block has 3 components: data, hash and the hash of previous block, and depending on the hash of previous block only, it creates its own hash. In the 6th step, the new block which is created is added to the existing blockchain which is permanent and unalterable, and hence the transaction finishes. The key features of blockchain technology are as follows. First one, cannot be corrupted. Cannot be corrupted in the sense every node on the system has a copy of digital ledger. To add any transaction, every node needs to check its validity. If the majority of nodes think it's valid, then only the transaction is added to the ledger, otherwise it is not. This promotes transparency and makes it uncorrupted. The second feature is enhanced security. As we all know, blockchain makes use of cryptography. Here you will have public key and private key. Private key is to access the data and public key is to make transactions. Since each block depends on the hash of its previous block, it is very difficult to a hacker to hack any transaction. If he wanted to hack, then he need to hack all the transactions at a time. And it's an impossible task, and hence it is more secure than any other technology. The third key feature is a decentralized technology. Decentralized means there is no central party or any governing authority. Users can have their own power and rights on their own properties. And fourth one, distributed ledger. Distributed ledger, as we all know, it is distributed in the sense every transaction can be visible to the each and every user participated in the network, and hence there is no chance of malicious changes. The last key feature of blockchain technology is consensus. It is a set of rules or protocols helps a network to make decisions. For example, Bitcoin blockchain has a rule that only 25 million bitcoins should be mined. Already 21 millions of bitcoins are mined and only 4 million bitcoins are left to be mined. Once the miners mine these 4 millions, then the supply of bitcoins ends unless the protocol is to be changed. We are using blockchain technology in banking, healthcare, in real estate, in Internet of Things. We are using in governments and supply chains. Due to its efficiency and security, today banks can transact directly with each other at low cost of settlement. In olden days, it used to take 3 to 4 days to transact money from one country to other country, but it is not the case now. Now we can easily transfer money within minutes or seconds. Blockchain in healthcare helps patients would be owners of their own data. They will have the power to choose with whom their personal health records are to be shared. As blockchain is a new technology of trust and security, its usage in real estate helps people to buy lands and homes. And IoT is a Internet of everything, but due to its centralized feature, it may lack the security. By using blockchain, we can enhance the security, especially in home automations. And many governments have tended to use blockchain technology for a variety of reasons. For example, identity management and tax management. India uses blockchain to assist local farmers to get the best crop prices using the Agri 10x. As we already discussed at the beginning about supply chains, the property of visibility and traceability of blockchain makes it most powerful technology because it keeps track of each and every record of the product it supplied to the consumer. Now let us see the advantages of blockchain technology. The first one is a process integrity. Any block or transaction that is added to a chain cannot be edited. Second one is traceability. It can trace any problem occurs in transaction and creates an irreversible trail. The third one, security. As we already know, we are using cryptography. It provides a unique identity to the linked account, and encryption in the chain makes it difficult to hack. The fourth one is quick processing. It makes the transaction faster within seconds of time. Blockchain technology has two disadvantages. First one is a high cost. It requires high cost for any transaction. For example, an average cost of a Bitcoin transaction is $75 to $160. And the second one is a high power consumption. The consumption of power in the blockchain is comparatively higher. For example, a study said that In a particular year, the power consumption of Bitcoin miners was alone more than the per capita power consumption of 150 individual countries. Let us see some real-time use cases of blockchain technology. Follow My Vote is used in a government sector. It was developed in Virginia. Follow My Vote is a secure online voting platform using an open source virtual blockchain ballot box. This technology decreases spending on physical ballots and can be accessed through any devices. BurstIQ. BurstIQ is an healthcare application developed in Denver. BurstIQ's big data blockchain contracts help patients and doctors securely transfer sensitive medical information. MediaChain is an application normally used in music industry developed in New York. It uses smart contracts to get musicians the money they deserve. Xage Security is an application used in Internet of Things. It was developed in California. Xage is the world's first blockchain-enabled cybersecurity platform for IoT companies. DHL is an application used for supply chains. It was developed in Florida. DHL has a major presence in the US and is one of the largest shipping company to embrace blockchain. This is how the blockchain technology can change the world around us. Thank you.